Hello everybody and welcome back to day 2 of our photovoltaics event. It's now my pleasure to introduce Riikka from VTT, who's going to give us a presentation on R2R Printed Perovskite PV. As always, we will be taking questions at the end of the presentation, so do please leave your questions in the session chat and we will come back and take those live. Over to you, Riikka.
Thank you, Chris, for the introduction, and hello everyone. My name is Riikka Suhonen. I'm from VTT Finland, and I'm here to talk to you about roll-to-roll printed perovskite PV and our activities within this field. Some words about VTT. We are a research center working directly under the Ministry of Economic Affairs and Employment. In Finland, we are really the major player in our research ecosystem and the major recipient for example, European Union research funding in Finland. We are also a strategic partner for companies, universities, research organizations, research funders, ministries, associations, as well as some administrations. Altogether, VTT has over 200 employees who are divided in 5 different locations, shown on the right here, in different cities of Finland. Our turnover and other operating incomes are altogether from last year 244 million euros. Or 45% of our turnover comes from abroad, and we have over 440 patent families belonging to us. I personally work here in Oulu in the field of printed electronics. VTT has several research infrastructures that support piloting of basic research. So the idea of these research infrastructures is that the company or customer can come to us. We give them our facilities for testing of their novel ideas or some product concepts before the customer needs to make the decision on their whether to buy a machine or some equipment to themselves. So we support this type of piloting in several research areas, and for our printed intelligence research, we have a research area called or research infrastructure called Printocent here in Oulu. Here are some nice pictures of the pilot lines that we have in-house. Altogether, within the printed intelligence research, we have about 120 people who are located in Oulu and in Espoo. And here in Oulu, in the Printocent facilities, we have printing lines. We have where we do printing and coating of functional layers. We have conversion lines where we can do, for example, lamination or cutting of different layers. We have a hybrid assembly line with which we can assemble traditional discrete components on a flexible web if we want to make these integrated systems. We also have a roll-to-roll electronics testing line where we can go through the roll and test, make electrical contacts to certain points and test the whole roll, how well the printing run has gone. We have machinery for injection molding where we can overmold plastic foils into bendable shapes or rigid forms, but within another structure.